everyone, today we wanted to share with you these three amazing books that we think every investor should read. First up, we have The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. This book is a classic and focuses on the fundamental aspects of a business. It's all about value investing and how to find undervalued stocks in the market. Yes, and if you're interested in the psychology of investing, then The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel is a must-read. This book encapsulates the impact of emotions on investment decision-making through 19 fascinating short stories. And finally, we have The Warren Buffett Way by Robert G. Hagstrom. This book delves into the investment philosophy of one of the most successful investors of all time, Warren Buffett. It's a great read for anyone looking to learn about long-term investing strategies. So there you have it. Three amazing books that we highly recommend for anyone looking to improve their investment skills. Have you read any of these books? Let us know in the comments below.